Okay, in this tutorial I'm gonna teach you the paste notation in Rubik's Cube. So let's start it. So in Rubik's Cube, so there's something you need to remember in Rubik's. So there's a notation you need to remember. So FRULBD. So it's meaning F means front, R for right, U for top, L for left, B for back, and D for down. So this is the thing you need to remember. So what about the apostrophe? So if the letter have apostrophe, meaning it's you need to do it counterclockwise. So what about numbers? So F2, R2, U2, L2, P2, D2. So meaning you need to turn it 180 degrees, so you need to turn it twice, so like this. So F front, so this is the front, this is the right side, left side, up side, so back side and down side. So front, right, left, up, down, back. So this is the move that you need to remember. So okay, that's it.